This week is Yearbook Week. We will start with Monday being Multiple Monday, so you and a friend can dress alike.
The BHS blood drive will be on Wednesday in the gym. If you would like to sign up, see Miss Elser or Miss Noethen. You must be 16 years old and have a parent sign your form, and even if you're given blood in the past, you need to fill out a new form. Help save, give blood.
April 11th through the 13th will be the World Community Workshop at Sodders Village. This year, the topic will be Ohio, the early years, 1803 to 1845. The Rotary Club is sponsoring this opportunity, so if you would like to attend, please contact Mr. Neese by March 27th.
Are you a graduating senior looking for a summer job? Check out the board outside the high school office for opportunities like this and many others.
Attention all 6th through 11th graders. If you are interested in trying out for the 2019-2020 cheer seasons, there will be a meeting at the Learning Stairs on Monday, March 11th during AA. If you cannot make the meeting, packets with information are available in the athletic office. Any questions, contact Coach Moore by emailing her at cheerleading@bryanschools.net. Have a marvelous Monday!